Imagine waking up when you want, working outdoors or on your own terms, and pulling in $1,000 to $8,000 in a single day. No boss, no fancy degree, and no startup capital beyond $500 in a single day. No boss, no fancy degree, and no startup capital beyond $500. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not today. I'll walk you through 4 home service businesses that real people use to escape the 9-to-5. These aren't just ideas, they're proven blueprints from everyday folks who built something incredible with almost nothing. Whether you're sick of your job or just want a profitable side hustle, this could be your game changer. Let's dive in. Part 1. Pressure washing, the silent gold mine. Let's talk about Josh, just a regular guy with a regular job, juggling bills, burnout, and back-to-back shifts. Then one day, after watching a few YouTube videos, he borrowed a friend's pressure washer, knocked on a few doors, and cleaned 5 driveways in one Saturday. He made $650 in one day. That was more than what his 9-to-5 paid him in a week. From that moment, he was hooked. Tools Josh used: rented pressure washer, $100 day. Basic surface cleaner, $70 optional. Flyers, free with Canva plus a local print shop. Josh didn't start with a trailer or a website. He started with hustle. Within months, he reinvested into a full rig with a $20,000 setup and paid it off in less than 6 months. We've had $8,000 days. One commercial contract paid me $4,800 for 3 hours of work. What worked for him? Knocking on doors with confidence. Offering same-day deals, driveway clean $99 today only. Posting before, after pics online. Learning the trade while learning. Scaling tips. Offer recurring maintenance contracts. Partner with realtors or Airbnb owners. Specialize in concrete, fences, and roof cleaning for higher ticket jobs. Upsell. Want me to clean your patio while I'm here? This business isn't just about spraying water. It's about visibility, consistency, and perceived value. Part 2. Mobile car detailing, the $500 startup. Now let's talk about Revive Auto Detail, a business that started in a 2008 Toyota Matrix with just $450 worth of gear. No experience, no garage, just a dream and a drive. The founders realized most people don't want to wait at car washes or do it themselves. So they brought the service to the customer. Startup kit: Ryobi electric pressure washer, $88. Shop vac, $99. Microfiber towels, glass cleaner, tire shine, $150 total. 50 feet hose, $30. They found customers on Facebook Marketplace, offered competitive rates, and focused heavily on customer communication. Most guys show up late or not at all. We over-communicated. That built trust and loyalty. Their winning formula: answer every inquiry within 10 minutes. Text when on the way. Send photos of completed work. Offer follow-up discounts for future details. They turn detailing into an experience, not just a cleaning job. Growth strategies: add ceramic coating, headlight restoration, or pet hair removal. Partner with apartment complexes for bulk deals. Offer business cleaning fleet once a month. By the end of year 1, they upgraded to a fully wrapped Ramper Master. Booked weeks in advance, and had built a 6-figure business from scratch. Part 3. Cleaning homes for $1,000. They think cleaning houses is low-paying or unskilled. Think again. Meet Alicia, a former barista who turned her side gig into a powerful business. In under a year, she was pulling $1,000, $1,200 a day cleaning homes solo. Her edge: she didn't just clean, she made her clients feel something: trust, consistency, and relief. What she started with: vacuum cleaner and mop, already owned. Spray bottles, bleach, degreaser, microfiber towels, $75. Thumbtack account, free to start. She posted pictures of her own sparkling kitchen to start and landed her first client in a day. I showed up 15 minutes early and texted updates. The client tipped me $50 just for being professional. Pro strategies: wear a uniform, even just a black shirt with your logo. Send text reminders and confirmations. Offer before and after photos for rentals or Airbnbs. How to scale: join local real estate groups for move-in, move-out cleans. Offer weekly packages with a discount. Hire part-time help and expand to commercial spaces. Alicia now has to part-time helpers, charges premium rates, and says, people underestimate how profitable trust-based services are. Part 4. Lawn care that earns year-round. Let's shift to the lawn care hustle, arguably the most evergreen of all service businesses. Meet Marcus. He started with a used $250 mower and weed trimmer from Craigslist. In 90 days, he replaced his warehouse job, and now earns $5,000, $10,000 monthly consistently. He walked door to door in his neighborhood, offering first free mow would you and asking, would you like me to clean this up today? That one question earned him 11 recurring clients in 1 week. His equipment: push mower, $150 used. String trimmer, $80. Gaskin and gloves, $20. Marcus understood that most homeowners don't have time or simply don't want to mow or mulch, so he built a route weekly, offered consistent plans, and built loyalty. His top tactics: bundle services, mow plus mulch plus trim for a package rate. Charge monthly, not per month. Creates consistent income. Add leaf removal, hedge trimming, and eventually snow plowing. I made $1,200 last December just clearing driveways after snow. Now he has a trailer, to part-time helpers, and runs a fully scheduled route every week. No downtime, no guessing, just reliable income. Common patterns: what they all did right across all 4 stories. These entrepreneurs shared a blueprint. They started small and didn't wait for perfect conditions. They reinvested every dollar back into growth. They marketed smart with flyers, Facebook, thumbtack, and word of mouth. They communicated like pros. They focused on being consistent, reliable, and trustworthy. This is the business version of street smart hustle. You don't need $10,000 in capital, you need initiative, execution, and persistence. Which business spoke to you the most? Pressure washing, detailing, house cleaning, or lawn care? Let me know in the comments. I'll dive deeper with startup guides, marketing plans, and real-time interviews. And if this video lit a fire under you, smash that like button and subscribe to Profit Powerhouse for more raw, real-world business breakdowns. Turn on notifications so you never miss what's next. Because your future, it's not waiting. Let's build it starting today.